How to fix Instagram swipe reply feature on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix the swipe reply feature for your Instagram app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue over here is very simple. Let's say if I just go ahead and basically launch the Instagram application here, and then I just go to my DMs page, right? When I go to my DMs page, let's say that there is a specific person over here. Once I go to that specific person's chat, if I want to reply to their specific message, what I need to do is I just need to go ahead and long press on their name over here or their chat, and here you'll find the reply option. I would need to tap the reply option to reply to that specific message. But what if this feature is not working for you? One more thing you can do is, instead of just long pressing on it, just swipe right from the message like this, and as you swipe right you can see it says replying to this specific message. So let me cross this out, swipe right like this, and again you can see replying to this specific message. And if this is also not working for you, there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and then open settings. Once you open settings, I want you to go to general, then just go to iPhone storage. After you go to iPhone storage, just go ahead and then look for the Instagram app over here. So I'm going to wait until all of this has been basically loaded up. So here, after this application list has been loaded up, I want you to simply search for Instagram, then tap on Offload App, then tap on Offload. Once you tap on Offload, do not worry, it is not going to delete the data. Tap on Reinstall App instead, and then it's going to take a while to reinstall and then re-upload the application. If this doesn't work either, you can tap the Delete App option and go ahead and reinstall it again. Last but not the least, just make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. In the iOS App Store, go ahead and then just search for the Instagram application in this case. Once you search for Instagram app, go ahead and then basically tap on Instagram. If you see the update button next to Instagram, it means the Instagram app needs an update. In that case, make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve a problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.